Are you ready to unlock your potential and shape a brighter future? The SuMMit Scholarship 2024 at the University of Muhammadiyah Malang is your golden ticket to academic excellence and personal growth. This fully funded scholarship offers a life-changing opportunity for talented individuals who missed out on the KNB Scholarship 2024. From tuition fees to accommodation and living expenses, the SuMMit Scholarship has you covered. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step application process, ensuring you're equipped to submit a successful application. But that's not all. We'll also explore why Universitas Muhammadiyah Malang is the ideal choice for your academic journey. Join us in seizing this incredible opportunity to study at one of Indonesia's most prestigious universities. Don't let this chance slip away. Apply now and embark on a transformative educational adventure with the SuMMit Scholarship 2024.
Okay guys, welcome back. So those who are new here also welcome. So we go straight to the point. We talk about how to apply for this scholarship. First of all, the website that you see here right now, this is the official website, the only one to apply for this scholarship. Okay, so once you arrive at this website, you will directly see, like, in your left side there is a video, okay, tutorial video on how to apply for this scholarship. Okay, so you can watch this video, but this video is made in 2021 and 2022, sorry. So this video is made in 2022. So the university is currently updating the video tutorial for 2024. Okay, so what I'm making right now is this video because many people contacted me on how to apply for the scholarship. If there is any how to apply step-by-step application video on how to make this, so I'm making this video to help those people in need, so that they would like to make this perfectly and also soon before the deadline. Okay, so I'm not also an agent of recruitment for UMM. I'm just an educational content creator. I help people to make it. So if you would like to have the right information about why you should choose UMM University, I would like to recommend you to go directly to the website, University of the Muhammadiyah, why you should check this university and all the benefit of this scholarship. They are already posted it on their YouTube channel, and you can also watch these two videos that they've made. My head is somewhere here. So you can watch those two videos. They are made recently for the SuMMit program and also KNB scholarship. So you can watch those videos to know all the benefit about the scholarship and also apply. Okay, so now let's come back to the portal so that we apply for this program. So once you are here, first of all, make sure that you stay until the end of this video, because I will go straight step by step on how to apply from the beginning till the end of this application. Okay, so once you are in this application here, you just put your name, email address, your phone number. Make sure that the phone number you will put there has a WhatsApp number. Then you click on I am not a robot. So guys, as soon as you click on register directly, you receive an email. If you receive the email, will look like this. So all you have to do is to copy this pin here and then come back to the application portal and write it there, put it there, and directly you paste it, and then you also put your email. Make sure you write the right email, because if you do a mistake, you won't be able to continue the application. So try to make sure that you write the right email and everything. You make sure that it's really written very well, and you click on I am not a robot, of course, because if not, you cannot pass. Then you click on login. Okay, once you click on this button login, directly they will send you back to the application portal where you will finish your application. As you can see here, this is the application portal where everything will happen. You will submit your application from here, and also you will receive the information about the interview and the final announcement, everything in this portal. Okay, so once you are here, as you can see, some information are in Bahasa Indonesia, but some of them are also in English. okay, because this application portal is for everyone, including the student in Indonesia and also international student. Okay, so you have your information in my information, and the second, the degree choice, you need to make choice, and you see payment, but there is no payment as international student, so you will be able to finish the application without payment. This is also part of the scholarship. So once you have everything done here, so all you have to do now, maybe you can translate this page, because to make it more clear for you, so you go on that three button, then you click on translate. Okay, once you click on translate, maybe they will show this for you so that you save your data and your password, because it's for you. Okay, so once you are done, then you just make sure you translate it. Once you translate, all the information will turn into English, so you'll be able to see now everything in English language. It will now enable you to successfully continue your application without any harm. Okay, so for that, you just have to see, like for example, if you finish the stage, you will see it turn in a green color. Wherever you see there is not green, it means you did not yet start, you did not complete that section. So before starting, you need to make sure that you have your program of study. So you click for product. Here we look for your program of study that you would like to apply for Universitas Muhammadiyah Malang. Okay, try to make sure that you have one of your degree here before clicking on register, because if your program of study is not among those program here, you are not going to apply for this scholarship, because it means that they don't have it. So once you make sure that you have it, so you click on register. As you can see here, this is for many candidate, like it's maybe vocational training, S1 is bachelor degree, S2 masters, doctorate S3 and professional, and so on. So you go down, you see there are also three sections. The first one is for mahasiswa dalam negeri. It means for the student inside the country. It means Indonesian here in the country. And the second option is beasiswa. This is also for the scholarship, but always for the people in the country. So don't click on those parts. What interests you here is international student. Once you have in this international student, you click on this, because I've already clicked on masters, so that's why it's up here masters. Okay, so make sure you click on OK. As you can see, registration for international student only. So once you are in this page, try to choose your major. You choose your major or the one that you would like to apply for. As for me, I just check, for example, management, and once I have it, you just click on save. Okay, you click on save. Once you click on save, then your information will be directly saved. You apply for that program, and then to make sure that the data are validate, you just click on data validation at the blue button below. Okay, once you have it, you directly see it's successfully registered. And then what you have to do now, the next section, you see it already turned green. Okay, then you have to do is to make sure that you also continue to the next section, which is the personal information, the academic, the educational background, and also the document. Make sure that your name is the right name, because if you have a name like mine, it will be turned down. Okay, so make sure you check all your information, they are true. Okay, so you change the gender, the religion, the passport number, the language, you put the language that you know, and also the rate of the language, your country, the address. Okay, everything, the city, the zip code. Make sure that every information that you input inside, they are the one that are really matching the one that are in the document you have. Okay, and then educational background. If you are applying for master, they will of course show you bachelor university, where you did your university. If you are from high school, they will also make sure to write it for high school. So make sure you write the right information, and then you click on next. Once you click on next, you will go to the document. It's here that you will submit your document one by one. The first one is the picture, the photo. You will need to upload a picture, a photo like white background, a new one. Okay, try to make sure that it's a new one. And then after that, the bachelor degree, the passport file, and then the transcript. So once you have all done this, you go on save all data, and make sure before you click on save data, make sure you have all the information you need, because once you click on save data, it means you are going to submit your application directly to the University of Muhammadiyah. It will be directly under reviewed. Okay, so try to make sure before you click on save data, you check your personal information, your educational background, and then your document. You see, as you can see, I'm proofreading it, everything. You see, once I click on it, it's directly turned on green. And then here I have already mentioned all the information that I need, the document, my personal information. It's really an easy application. So, just need to know how to make sure. And then after that, you just click on download e-card. That e-card is your personal information for your online enrollment. It should look like this. Okay, once you click on it, you will directly get it. Make sure you save it, because it's the information related to when the interview will be. It will be on March, and then after that, the announcement. So I wish you good luck, and yeah, I wish you good luck for this scholarship, and I hope to see you in Indonesia soon. And if you already did not subscribe to my channel, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, Guegine, because every day I'm uploading scholarship opportunity in Indonesia and also in abroad. So I would like to invite you to subscribe and also share it to people who will be interested, so that my educational content reach many, many people. Thank you so much for staying until the end. See you in the next video.